Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I am going to be showing you how to pay on Amazon using PayPal. To do this, the first thing you will need to do is go onto Amazon just like you would normally do. And from there, you are going to choose the product or products that you would like to purchase. After you have done that, you are going to go into your shopping cart just like you will normally do, and you are going to tap on Proceed to check out from the right hand menu option. After tapping on Proceed to check out, you will be redirected to the checkout page, and from there you will select your shipping address. Then you are going to tap on Use this address. Once you have done that, you will be prompted to enter the payment method, and all I want you to do is scroll down, and right where you see gift card, I'm going to be showing you how to get the gift card to enter the code right here. For this example, I will be using this website by the name of the Card Closet. And this is a website that sells Amazon gift cards, and you'll be able to purchase them using PayPal. So basically, you will be using your PayPal balance to purchase an Amazon gift card, on which you are going to go back onto Amazon and you are going to enter the gift card code right here. So all you'll need to do is go onto the website thecardcloset.com, or you can go onto numerous other platforms that sell Amazon gift cards. Once you're on the platform, all you'll need to do now is tap on Buy Now, and you can see that for a $10 Amazon gift card, it will cost you $12.98, and all you'll need to do is simply tap on Buy Now, and from there you'll be able to purchase it using your PayPal balance. Once you have purchased the gift card, you are going to go back into your Amazon checkout, and you are going to enter the gift card number right here. Then you are going to tap on Apply, and that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.